Introducing the Mansory Cybertruck, a bold transformation of Tesla's revolutionary electric pickup. With a striking futuristic design and high-end modifications, this beast takes luxury and performance to the next level. The Mansory Cybertruck boasts a custom carbon fiber wide-body kit, aggressive fender flares, and a redesigned rear with a sporty dual-wing spoiler. Its signature geometric design now features a two-tone finish with premium forged carbon elements, giving it an ultra-exclusive look. Rolling on massive forged alloy wheels with an aerodynamic cover, this truck isn't just about looks. It's built for superior performance. The lowered suspension and optimized aerodynamics ensure a stable and confident ride. Inside, Mansory has redefined luxury. Expect premium leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and exclusive Mansory branding. The minimalist dashboard still retains Tesla's futuristic tech, including the massive center touchscreen running Tesla's latest software. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the Cybertruck retains its all-electric powertrain with tri-motor AWD, pushing over 800